Ransomware doesn't always announce itself. It can sit in your environment long enough to contaminate the very backups you're counting on. And in a crisis, the last thing you need is more manual hunting or infrastructure to manage. Druva Threat Insights closes gaps between IT and security, turning your backup data into your most powerful security sensor. In peacetime, ThreatWatch proactively scans backup snapshots multiple times a day. When new IOCs are detected, we automatically rescan the last 30 days to find your ideal recovery point. Infected snapshots can be quarantined by default, so you never accidentally restore bad data. You get dashboards, urgent alerts, and integrations with your existing security tools to kickstart recovery. In wartime, threat hunting helps you scope the blast radius and clean it up. Run targeted hunts using the latest intelligence on IOCs. Scan within a custom time window, quarantine what's infected, and destroy malware from backups with defensible deletion. Detect early, respond fast, recover with confidence.